So this is a handicap lift, a vertical C. The rails on the one side, it's pretty much like a rope forklift, but the problem here is the bracket that holds the cylinder has come loose. I would say it just got missed on the install. The problem is you can see how tight it is with everything there, that it's hitting this crosshead here as it drives by, and you have like the tape head wire that I've tried to tuck up under there. But yeah, let's go take a look from underneath. What caught my eye was the oil here. You have an overflow here, but it's just coming out the sides and down the cylinder. And now you can see, look how far out that bracket is. It's hard to tell with the camera because I shake my hand, but you can just move the cylinder. It's right loose. So I gotta get that tightened up somehow. But yeah, just a quick maintenance visit. Okay, so you can see with the ceiling here on these vertical C's, you just move the panel over. And you can get at it here, so I can tighten this up with the wrenches. There's a stop button right here, so no one can call it. Well, as long as it works, I suppose. I could have checked that first. But you can see here, it's pretty loose. So I just wanted to show you how I'm going to tackle that problem. And hope you enjoyed the look at the little vertical C here. Thanks for watching.